Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you on how to find the template on Capcut. So the first thing that you need to do is to open the Capcut app on your mobile device, and once you're in the Capcut app, click on the templates button located at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to the Capcut templates library, where you can choose from a variety of video templates. You can browse through the different categories such as effects, lyrics, or anything that you want. Okay, and then once you find the template that you like, simply click on it so you can use the template. Okay, you can also customize the template to your liking by adding your own photos, videos, and texts, and anything that you feel like will capture the eyes of your audience. And that's it. You have successfully found Capcut templates and can now start creating stunning videos in just a few clicks. Okay, Capcut templates are a great way to save time and create professional looking videos without any editing experience. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. Bye!